Hi guys, it's Ivy. Welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in here to do our Family Dollar deals for the week. I'm also going to try to do a couple of matchups, okay, if they have the stuff. Family Dollar been getting real bad with their item selection, so let's go. Okay guys, before we start in here, I want to show you all this. They have an entire dollar aisle like Dollar Tree. So you see all the stuff they have? Tons of stuff. All the crafting stuff you need. All of it. Craft stuff. Like they have tons of stuff. Look at this. And I do see some stores are Dollar General and some are Family Dollar and the other ones are Dollar Tree. So I knew they were teaming up together, but I didn't know they was doing it this quick. Okay. So they got planners in here too. Journals. Who is this by? Just journal. It's just a journal. And it's just a journal. That's all it is. Okay. And there's one that say make your dreams happen. Okay. Yeah, they got journals. They have planners. There's a planner called a creative planner. And this is how it looks on the inside. And it's $5 actually. But great deals. Great. Okay, the first thing that I'm not gonna get it, but I'm gonna show it to you. This axe is a $2.50. We have a coupon for $1.50 off. You grab one of those, you can pay $2.50 for that axe. I mean $1.50 for the axe, but I'm not getting axe today. Okay, this is the Big Soleil 3 braid. It's at $3.50. We have a $3 coupon for this. And I picked one up and I scanned it and there it is. The $3 coupon came up for that. So you'll pay 50 cents for that. Okay, next deal is the Big Shaver, the 12 in the pack sensitive. They are $3. When you scan this is the coupon that shows up, so you'll pay $1 for that pack of razors. Okay, well, I'm not going to get these though. I just want to show you guys that coupon, so those are $1. Okay, so you guys see the Airwick right here? They're $1.80. They're $1.80. I have two of those coupons on one account. I'm going to take both of them because my $1.50 off coupon is attaching to them. Okay, let me show you. There it is. I scanned it. And you see that? One coupon, two coupons. So I'm going to use both of them and I'm going to pay 30 cents each for each one. Okay? Okay. Now, the last time I checked, these $2 were still working. They do not have any more. These are all the 15 in the pack. And look at that. Some crazy nut. They came in here and opened them all up. So, they don't have any over there. I don't frequent this Family Dollar a lot. And I see why right now. Because they don't have, like, the products is open. And that's right there is bad for me. Okay, so this snuggle is $4.50. It has a $2 that's attaching to that. If I can find something else with snuggle, I'll grab it, but I do not see it. Look like they're cleaning the snuggle out too. So, nope, them 120, those 105. Look like they got all the snuggle. Yeah, look like they clearing out all of the snuggle. So, yeah, it was a glitch on them, and they got them all. Okay. So, okay, now I'm gonna see these Kotex tampons. They are $3.50. If you buy 2 boxes, you'll get a $3 off these. So here I'm gonna grab 2 boxes of these with my order. Okay, with the things I got, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I got in there. I'm still scanning, guys. They don't have a lot in this store. Okay, so let's look at our digital deal right now. We have 2 boxes of You by Kotex. They are $3.50. We have a $3 off 2. We got Soleil, that's $3.50. We have a $3 off coupon making these 50 cents. Then we have 2 Airwick coupons. These are $1.80. The coupons for $1.50. So we'll pay 30 cents for each one of these. Now I had 2 on my app. So this is $4, $4.50, $4.80, $5.10. So this is $5.10 for this whole thing. Let me show you the coupon. Here's one. That's the Big Soleil one. And that's the one for the Airwick warmer. And see, both coupons came up, so that's why I grabbed two. And that is your all digital deal. Now let's do a paper one, okay? Our first paper deal is going to consist of one Mucinex at $5.50. But you can grab two. Use up the two. Two Vicks Vapor Cools at $2 a piece. I'm going to use the $1.50 off coupon, but I already grabbed them. Okay. So I have two Airwick paper coupons. These are $3.50. I have a $1.50 off coupon. I'm gonna only grab one. I'm not gonna grab these actually at all because I've been getting them for $1.01 at Dollar General. But I just want to show you that you can use these, making these $2 a piece. Now, why would you do that when you can go to Dollar General and get them for much cheaper, or maybe even a penny if you got that $2.50 coupon? If you have any more Febreze, it run out on the 9th, you can grab some of these. They do work up in here. Just depends on if you got a coupon police. It won't work for you. Okay, we also have all coupons, okay? All and Snuggle. As you can see, I showed you the Snuggle was wiped out. They didn't have the $2 Snuggle. All I had was the $5. I didn't want that. I scanned this for you. It was $4.50. It's giving you a $2 off coupon. So $2.50. That's actually a great deal. Then the all is $5. You have a $1 off coupon. Pay $4 for it. Or go somewhere where you can get it overage. Then you have the all mighty packs. Those are $5, but you also have a $2 coupon. So you could also use that. The Vaseline is $3.50. We have a $2 off coupon. So most of the Vaseline deals, Vaselines are on sale. Now the best one yet is the one at Target. Buy three, use three of the $2 coupons and get a $5 gift card. That's probably the better deal, okay? You also could use it on, I wonder how much that Ivory is. Let me scan that and see. It say great buy. You also have, this is at $4.25. You got a $2 off digital you can use, or a $1.50 off digital. If you need Nivea, I will use the $2 digital. I actually got a $1 off coupon, $1.50 off, and it's $4. That's still not a good deal. They just was giving us Axe for free, so it's gonna be kind of hard for them to buy Axe, for cheap. So just be careful. Yeah, they did not have any Centrums, any of those $5 coupons. They didn't have any. So that is about all for our matches. Let's go pay for our deals and see. So let's see the paper coupons we got. So we grabbed two Mucinex at $5.50. You're gonna use two of the $5 coupon. You got a Vicks Vapor Cool at $2 a piece. You're gonna use a $1.50 off coupon. This deal should be $2. Right? Let's see if that's what it rolls down to. But here is another 75% off. They don't really have a good deal on that, so that's why I'm not really worried about grabbing it. Like some of the stuff still 50% off right there. See, they still up there. Okay, so let's go and see how our deals do. Okay, guys. So first deal, which was all digital. And we got the tampons. That was two. Buy two. You get $3 off. They was $3.50 a piece. We got this. That was $3.50 and you got $3 off. And then we bought two of these because the $1.50 coupon is attached to this one for $1.80. So all together, let's see what we pay out of pocket. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my God. $2.60. We finally done it. We finally did it, guys. We done it. We don't know what it is. We don't question none of that, right? We don't question it. But we don't know what it was. But it gave me, I paid $2.60 for this. Yes, that is an all digital. If you got all those, even if you don't have the two coupons for the Airwick, use the one, then your deal should be cheaper than that. Now let's see what our paper deal did. Remember, this was all paper. All paper. I'm trying to get my stuff together. Okay. Now let's see what we get. We bought 2 Mucinex. And we had 2 $5 off coupons for each one. Then we bought 2 Vapor Cools, which was $2 a piece. And we had a $1.50 off coupon for each one. So let's see. Wow. There we go. $2. Hey guys, guess what? We stayed within our $5 budget with Family Dollar today. Ain't that great? Yes, I am proud of this deal because I have been really struggling to get Family Dollar down to a decent price. And I finally got it down. I am so happy and so proud of myself, guys. So you guys keep on watching Ivy's Coupon Count so you can get some fat deals. And keep on subscribing, sharing with your friends. Thanks, guys. Bye.